MemberScan is one of the easiest iPhone apps you can get. Let's say you're walking into Kroger's. All you do is push the button, it comes up, there's Kroger's. Push it, barcode, scan, done. Easy. MemberScan for your iPhone.
Let's see how it works. Simply tap the MemberScan icon in your iPhone or iPod Touch. It'll show you a list of the ones you've set up. Let's look at Best Buy. Just tap it. You'll see the barcode, so when you go in the store, simply put the barcode under the scanner. You can add as many new ones as you like. Just type in a name and the numbers underneath the barcode and hit OK. It's that easy. That's what one looks like for Kroger's. We have suggestions and help, and in the App Store you'll find us under the Lifestyle section, or search for MemberScan. MemberScan comes from YesWorks. It's really that fun and that easy. Here's a link to it to download today.